Hi everybody, sanibonani, welcome to my channel. Igama lami Ntando Mdletshe, and on this channel siyaye sibuka ama reality shows ethu ala eMzansi bese senza la sokhuluma ngawo lama shows, senza ama reviews ama recaps bese siyaphinda futhi sikhuluma nga any other issues avuka ngabe lama shows sesiwabukile ku TV. Siyaphinda futhi sikhuluma ngama celebrities ethu ala eMzansi kanye nama YouTubers ethu ala eMzansi. Listen, yeah, Uyajola 99. We are in episode 17, I think. Okay. Hi ge. Kwasukela because inganekwane lengizonixoxela namhlanje. Kwasukela kwakukhona uThulisile kubheka. UThulisile kubheka uno baby daddy uMozi. Uthe uMozi nesiqhishambana nje sikabhoti that you think even you is cheating. Mafethu awuyekwe umjolo yazi noma ungasitholela indodana yakho nje embanyana emfisha, you know, like people always say I want a dark, tall, handsome man. When I decide okay, because people want dark, tall, handsome man, let me get a, you know, well, he is dark, short, not so handsome man, because you think he's gonna be your only one. They take him. Emjolweni, you are not safe at all. Okay. They don't live together, but hey, he's acting funny, not answering the phone. You know, now we are I'm told. I think that's what she said. Okay. Atiba meeting a World Cup 2014. I'm like, which World Cup? Why would you refer to a World Cup 2014? The World Cup was here in 2010, I think. Okay, she's talking about another World Cup. Is she meaning that they had traveled to go and watch a World Cup, or they were somewhere? Why is the World Cup? But somehow World Cup 2014 is very important to their relationship. Okay, fine. Let me recognize the fact that Uyajola 99 Mojalav did the background on the lady, even though they do still sound like they are rushing to the drama, but they do the background. So they've gone back to doing the background where they get the story. So they give the person a time to tell their story. And Ujub this time was trying to be respectful to the person that had written to the show. And then the lady says he has caught him multiple times a cheater, but this time he feels like he's cheating again, wants to catch him. If you've caught your partner cheating before and then now you are suspecting that he's cheating, he is just cheating. You make a conclusion cheating. You don't have to go to Uyajola 99. There is no need whatsoever, you know. But again, this lady decided to go to no, I need Uyajola 99. Okay, fine. Okay, Uyambuza kuJub. Do you want to confront them? Do you want to whatever? And then he says, yeah, she does want to confront the boyfriend. Anyway, you guys, I do think ukuthi Mojalav, they wouldn't show your episode uma ngabe uthi wena you do not want to confront them. So they show her on the screen. Is this him? They show him about convince anything that it was just him with the girl. It's like, I know him. In fact, and then they try and go now they are going to go confront him. So they decide they're going to go. I guess now they're in the car, the lady and Ujub, they're in the car to go and confront them. And then they start talking also some more about the relationship. He says even when he comes to see her, and in Gishobeni appointment on time, all of that, you know. So kuna confused corner because mabe figure where they're supposed to catch them, it was at night. I think it was badly edited because I think they did attempt to go Bayobabamba somewhere at night, and then maybe it wasn't successful because the next thing we see is like it's during the day. Guess where it is? eThekwini workshop. Hey! A workshop in a workshop. If you live in Durban, a workshop is where the chillers is chilling. You know the chillers from Mag's podcast and chill. The original chillers are from Durban workshop because that's where people chill with their lovers. You know, it's a park behind the workshop, behind the mall as a workshop. Chillers, ice cream place, whatever, you know, it's that kind of a place. If you think your partner is cheating, just go sit at a workshop. If you live in Durban and you think your partner is cheating, just go sit there. And in fact, me and my sister one time, hey, We once saw someone. Guys, I'm getting off track, but this is a good story. Me and my sister, one day we were in town. We decided to go to the workshop and buy ice cream. We buy ice cream. We go and sit. So we go and sit in the shade. And then we are like, we see someone from back home on a market with another woman with a baby. Like when someone is just out of the hospital, they're sitting there with a new baby. And we're like, hey, boo, it's him. But this is not his wife. Hey! So we get home. These are people that we are sort of related to, you know. So we get home, we're like, do we tell my... Because we know, if we tell our mother, my mother was going to tell the auntie who is the mother to the guy. We saw him with a new baby. We like, with my sister, should we tell him? Should we tell my mother? My sister, so we did. So we never told. We used to laugh about it the whole time. Years later, the news came out that he has a child. When the news came out, me and my sister are like, to know we knew. To know we knew. We once saw him. They're like, how? You guys never saw it. It's like, we were scared to say. That's how the workshop kwaMphelandaba Yomjolo eThekwini. Okay, fine. I'm just explaining to you so you know. If you don't live in Durban, you know that park. You know the story of that park. So they get there. Obviously it's a park. So if Moja Love crew comes, I wonder if it comes, everybody runs, because a workshop, that's where people jola, and a lot of the people that jola a workshop are cheating. So when they come, everybody runs. Now it's like you don't know who they're looking for, because we hadn't seen the guy. Very short guy. I'm like, hey, this guy is cheating. Bambamba almost. Hey, atutuyaphunyuka bambamba. Hey. Uma ngabe befika laphayana guy, obviously the lady is distraught ukuthi ene how can you be cheating on me, yabona. The guy is like, baby here, and then at the baby there. At the same time, while they are busy, aphinda zama ukubaleka. I think uMojalavio bajimile izolo bajimile, that guy. So it's like, I can't decide, because it's like, baby, the one who came, baby, mengabe this one now is like, akazi ukuthi enze kanjani. Ujulukile manje, because both the ladies bafuni attention. Why are you cheating on me? The lady is really distraught. But this lady, I don't understand her. How can she be? It almost like she is shocked because this guy is cheating, when she has said here herself, and he has cheated on her a number of times. The lady is crying now, whatever, because that guy ended up taking the number 2 wahamba naye, you know. At some point uke wabaleka nje, kusakhulunywa lapho wabaleka, bagcwala eThekwini go West Street beyongena in some building, bafika bamiyabula babuya naye. But honestly, at the end, he ended up living with number 2, because the other lady Vele was like, you know what, I'm done. Don't even come and talk to me, and all of that, which I think she should have done even before they came there. But I guess sometimes in a relationship, you just want that thing. You go, okay, now, you know. So, yes. So, the lady was really distraught because she was crying, and she said she is done. She's done with that gentleman, which I think is good for her. But I think I do suspect also that guy is probably gonna go back, and beg her and all of that. Obviously, Chuk was doing the normal. At some point, he was asking the guy, "Hey, so suits." You know, he was busy there at the workshop. At the workshop, sometimes they do. You know, you see the couple and you're like, hey, those. It looks like they're doing too much. Those ones, those are. So anything can happen Lokuzane workshop. Anyway, that was the episode for today. Shame. I almost disappointed me, as I thought if you get a guy that is not tall, that is not handsome, that is not dark, tall and handsome, you are safe. But I know Umjolo, nobody's safe with Umjolo. Anyway, that was the episode for today. Please like the video before Mphume, share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers. Ntando kakhulu.